Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of CapCut. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about CapCut app. Sorry, not here, CapCut app as you see. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again, and then if it's not working with you, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.